Today is my 48th day here, and the last few days I've just kind of been relaxing. I've been doing a lot, been in the sun a lot, my skin's been peeling. Tomorrow, I'm hoping for good weather. Hopefully I get to go surfing. But yeah, right now I'm in the Bay of Plenty area, Tauranga, and yeah, hopefully I can go surfing tomorrow, and then when I go to the South Island, I might buy a surfboard. And then I might just surf a shit ton and hike a shit ton. We'll find out. I've never been to the South Island, so we're gonna learn together. Well, I'm going all the way up there. It was 1,275 steps. Oh God, I'm gonna be drenched in sweat, baby. Oh, here we go, I guess. Here we go. Okay, it didn't actually mean steps. It's a flat road after those steps going up. So this is gonna be a lot easier than I thought. I'm drenched. Made it to the top. Jackass cop gave me a parking ticket because I exceeded the parking time limit at the mall. Fuck, there's no signs anywhere. I don't know how long I'm allowed to park there. I've been at that mall like 8 times, and the one day I was there for 12 hours and I didn't get a ticket. But yeah, the ticket's 65 New Zealand. Doesn't say why. They issued it to me at 12:37. It's probably because the other days I was parked in the middle, and today I was parked outside, and I got there kind of early. So he probably drove by, saw it, and then drove by again, still saw it in the same spot, and was like, time to fucking big dick you. Fucking hate cops. Fucking assholes. That's all I got. A little boring in the same old. So look what I found. Udon noodles. I'm gonna have myself some chicken and some eggs all in this bowl. We're gonna see how well it goes. So yeah, stay tuned. And this is it, the fruit of my labor. There's a bunch of chicken, some noodles, and then eggs, 2 eggs. They're on top. I don't know if it's any good, but I can't wait to eat it. I'm hungry. Let's eat. You know, people say that I can't cook, but I just cook ramen, chicken, and eggs into a delicious meal. And if people can't accept this, then you know what? Maybe they can't cook. Ever think of that? Maybe they don't know how to cook. I'm a chef, okay? Day 50, chef.